Throw this in your toolbox. Some salt. This is literally salt. Sodium chloride. Or with those salt packets, this can help too. And super glue. It literally saved the day. And actually, like, I'm already running a couple of months with it. Putting in the effort to show you guys this. So somewhere in Denver, this hose ripped off. One of these. 1, 2, 3. This one popped off. And that's why I want to show the video. Because I'll show like a screenshot of location in Denver where this popped off. Boom. So that's like 8 months already. That's been holding sand and super glue, or salt and super glue. Thanks for watching. It helped with another repair too. It's like a band-aid, but we had the wrong cap for this and it had a hole in it. Or actually, yeah, this has a different type of, and I super glued it here and with sand covered it and it stopped leaking. It saved the day again when this airbag, can you see it? Those are the airbags. I don't know, something was rubbing up right against it on the other side and it was leaking right here. But it's on the inside, you can't really see it, but it was, something was rubbing the tire and it was starting to leak and lose air pressure. Super glue and sand. And it carried me down the road until the next morning.